Welcome to our comparison of two high-performance graphics cards, the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7800 XT Gaming OC and the XFX Speedster QICK 319 RX 7800 XT. Both cards are built on the powerful AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT GPU, featuring 16 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, performance, cooling solutions, and pricing to help you determine which card is the better choice for your gaming setup. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7800 XT is priced at $499, making it a more budget-friendly option for gamers looking for high performance without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the XFX Speedster QICK 319 RX 7800 XT comes in at $549, which may deter some buyers who are looking for value. Both cards offer similar performance, but the price difference could be a deciding factor for many. Cooling is crucial for maintaining performance during intense gaming sessions. The GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7800 XT features the WindForce 3X cooling system, which effectively manages heat and keeps the card running cool. In contrast, the XFX Speedster QICK 319 utilizes a triple-fan cooling solution that also excels in thermal management. Users have reported that both cards perform well under load, but the XFX card is noted for its quieter operation, making it a great choice for those who prioritize a silent gaming experience. Aesthetics play a significant role in a build's overall appeal. The GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7800 XT boasts RGB lighting, adding a vibrant touch to any gaming rig. In contrast, the XFX Speedster QICK 319 opts for a more understated design without RGB, focusing on a sleek and professional look. While both cards are visually appealing, your choice may depend on whether you prefer flashy lighting or a more minimalist aesthetic. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7800 XT and the XFX Speedster QICK 319 RX 7800 XT are excellent graphics cards that cater to different preferences. If you're looking for a more affordable option with RGB lighting, the GIGABYTE card is a fantastic choice. However, if you prioritize silent operation and premium build quality, the XFX card may be worth the extra investment. Thank you for watching and podcast. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.